Hello friends, this is Bella from Q&Q Company. Today I will show you some products of our Eyelet. Friends, now first of all I will show you some application of our eyelets. Friends, as you can see, we usually use for these eyelets on the shoes, box, and some bags, some belts, jeans, and the paper labels, and so on. Then I will show you some products details. Friends, we have many different styles and colors for you choosing. Now I will show you one by one. Friends, you can see such as some round shape, dolphin shape, heart shape, star shape, and so on. We have many colors for you choosing. Just like this is our painting color. Friends, if you don't need this eyelid, it doesn't matter, because you can send us your picture, then we will, according to your specific requirements, then customers you eyelid. Okay friends, the one set eyelid is made of two parts. The first part is our eyelid and the second part is cascade. Besides, we have the regular size, just like this. Friends, you can see, you can choose different size. It just depends on your specific requirement. In addition, friends, when you make an inquiry, please let us know the outer diameter, head, and the inner diameter. Then we will, according to you, the specific size, then we will give you the quotation accordingly. I will show you a detailed picture to you. Friends, if you are interested on our these eyelets, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.